Hi friends, good morning.
Good morning, friends. So, Moksha, what we are going today?
We're going to make a clock
Okay, why do we need a clock?
because it tells us time.
Okay, it tells us time. Okay, so we are going to make what kind kids clock, right?
Yeah.
So it can be a craft or any activity for kids like you. Okay,
We could use it with any box
good. Any box and with any
and with any
paper plate,
paper
disposable,
plates,
yeah, disposable paper plate. Okay, so we made the clock base with the any kind of means we made this base with a box. Okay, so here is the base ready, and now these are the minute hand and the hour hand. Okay, so we have cut out these minute hand and the hour hand with the same strip of the same box. Okay, and while cutting the minute hand and hour hand we have to be careful because see, this is the clock center and this is the needle center which is going to be added or to be joined from this twist in which I already added a bead. Okay, so this is going to be here and we will pull it. Okay, so yeah, what we have to take care, here we are going to write the minutes later on, so the needle should be pointing to the minute whatever is written here, so there should be enough gap, and there should be enough gap at the back side also to support the needle, otherwise later on the needle will get tear up and it will means this paper strip can break out from here and it can leave the clock. Okay, so it should be little bigger and supportive. And same with the our hand, this center will go here and here we are going to write hours, so there should be enough gap. Take care of all these measurements and let's do it. Okay, so I will join all these things and I'll show you. Okay, so this is the twist. This kind of twist you can take, or you can take this kind of twist and put any kind of bead or anything. So yes, good job, Moksha.
Thank
Yes,
you, Mom.
show here on the top. Yeah, yes, good job. Yes, yay, wow. And now what we will do, flip it, Moksha.
TikTok.
Yes, TikTok is ready. Now we have to write the numbers. Yeah, later on. Moksha, now we have to, yeah, the back part here we can stick it with the tape so that it will not move. Okay. Yeah, separate it like this and stick it with the paper. Oh, sorry, stick it with the tape. Stick it with the tape so it will remain and move. Okay, so I will write the numbers and I will be back.